Today we have the 2019 Volvo XC40. This vehicle has done just under 73,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. On the first page of our screen, we can access our applications. This includes Apple and Android CarPlay, our download center, and driver performance. On the second page, we have our key features. This includes navigation, radio, smartphone integration, and Connect. On the final page is our car functions. From here, we can get lane keeping aid, park assist, start stop, and connected safety. If we press here, we can access our climate control. This includes heated seats on either side. Just below our screen, we have our drive mode button. From here, we can switch between our 5 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.